Hello, beautiful people, beautiful souls, beautiful friends, beautiful soul family, beautiful person. How are you today? I hope you're well. My name is Owen Fox. Thank you for joining me in this space, this video. And in this video is going to say like how just a minute ago there was like somebody who's like sort of driving slowly and pulling off slowly at the last second. And I just want to say like it's important to give off good vibes to people, not like bad vibes. You know, like, and listen, it's okay. Nothing necessarily wrong per se like with bad vibes, but what's most important on the healing journey of empowerment and aligning with our true self and our soul, our heart, and higher frequencies is to look at ourselves and question things and become clearer with what intention we want to live with. Do we want to be like sort of negative, grouchy, or giving off bad vibes or complaining? Or do we want to experience a life where we're not like that? So it's up to us, it's our choice, and we got to choose that, and we have to develop into that type of being, okay? So that's where I am, and I'm inviting you to be there too. So think of it, if you like to, not because I'm saying you gotta do this, do that, like don't be negative. All emotions are there for a reason, and we have to explore our emotions and understand like, what am I feeling? Is it anger, sadness, fear? Like, why am I necessarily having road rage, or why am I giving out to people who I love, or in my family, or my partner? This all comes back to triggers and childhood trauma and mental beliefs and conditioning, or the lens, our perception. So we've got to like ask ourselves and investigate and explore. And I have all of this is covered extensively in my gift video course for you, Spiritual Practices Made Simple and Practical to Apply. So yeah, check out the link below, my first comment, or in the description. You'll see like my free video, 2 free gift video courses and 2 gift books: Self-Awareness and Living in the Now, and Heal Yourself, Your Life, Relationship, and Family Line, and your family, life, relationship, yourself, and ancestral line, sorry. So, and 2 free video courses, and I have another 8 which you can unlock if you want to upgrade to proper full membership, as well as you get a gift monthly workshop, and if you upgrade you get an additional workshop, and they're also recorded, you can rerun them. So yeah, there's a lot of support, love, and safe space in my community to help inspire and uplift each other as we learn, grow, and heal. So you'll learn all about healing yourself, your life, your relationship, your family, your ancestral line, and more. So I have another free video course, which is a gift, which is a life, death, and the meaning and purpose of life. And you're going to love that. I really love that one too. You're going to love both of them, and you're going to love my 2 books. They're so beautiful. I just love them all. This is my life work, and I'm here for you as a mentor and a helper, a coach, a guide. I've had a very, very challenging life, like so many of us. I've walked the walk. I've lost my health, like massively, from hero to zero. I lost over $100,000 or euros, actually. 100,000 euros, $110,000, and I had some of the most challenging, most complicated, complex relationship situation you can imagine. And I'd love to help you, from me walking through experience with my life's work, to help you to get a better life. So you got to line into it, you got to accept it, you got to claim it. Click on the link below, join for free at the beginning, see if you like it, check it out, and then you can upgrade if you feel like it, of course. And I'll greet you upon joining. Leave your little like small bio, go to the community page, leave a little description of yourself. There's a copy and paste thing describing yourself and stuff like that, which is fun, and you connect with others that way. And there's a free workshop coming up in 7 days, so if you come join for free, it only takes a second. You can also receive and hop in on that call, which will be like almost an hour-long workshop. So thanks for joining me here. My name is Owen. I'm dedicated and committed to your highest well-being, but you also got to claim it and take the action to step into your highest good, your greatest version of yourself, and make and choose 2024 to be your best year ever, to have as much joy, bliss, happiness, and peace, inner peace instead of inner turmoil, inner clarity instead of confusion, and joy, bliss, and happiness instead of like down, negativity, sad, depressed. Let go of confusion, step into clarity, step into lightness and brightness instead of heaviness and bogged down, slow. Be good, be the goodness that you can be, be good. I like that phrase, not like you're a good or bad person, but good or bad boy, but good or bad girl. Like, be good, be awesome, be your best self. and enjoy the journey, my friend. Lots of love. So enjoy my books and my video courses, and I'd love to hear how you enjoy them. And it's so easy, just to click of a button and you'll join lots of like-minded souls in a lovely, safe and positive platform. Lots of love, my friends. At your service, committed to your highest well-being, and I've been on this journey for 18 years, so I have a lot of experience and I'd love to share. Thanks for joining me. Wish you the best day ever. Namaste. Love to you.